Hey, it's James Nicholson, and just in Angkor Wat today in Cambodia, Siem Reap, and saw some really interesting upsells. And upsells are something that can be really, really important to your business. And what it was, when we arrived at the airport, we got a taxi, and the taxi driver took us to a hotel, which all worked out well. But in his taxi, he didn't want to just get our fare from us. He wanted to be our tour guide for the time that we're here, and he basically upsold us the trip to Angkor Wat that we're on now. So for $30, he basically agreed, well, actually $40 because we came for the sunrise here even. He agreed to take us around for the whole day and get us entry into everywhere and stuff like that, which is really good. So think about how you could use upsells in your business. They're a really important part of business, and they're where most of your profit is. So think about how you could use upsells. Could it be that you put a mastermind into your business or something like that? That is the secret to making huge profits and returns in your business. Nearly all of the profit is always in the upsell. So see how you can work that. Cheers, guys.